Page 10, starting points. Now we're going to use the left hand for a while, which means we got more notes to learn, and this time it's in the bottom staff for the bass clef. They show them at the top of the page, the F through C, and the C, the last note up above there, the C's on a little line above the bass clef, that is middle C. Just know it's, and on the keyboard, that's, same middle C. There's only one middle C on the keyboard. But basically, you're going to be in this position, is what they're doing. And you're going to use these 5 notes. Well, on a keyboard, you already had these notes. These notes. Now we're going to add the other 2. And once we do that, you've had all 7 notes on the keyboard. You'll know all the keys on the keyboard, I hope. So just know that you already know an F, I hope, is at the lower of a group of 3, and it could be any F. We've been using this F, but as far as the keyboard name goes, it could be anything. So this is an F, and the G you've had before, because you had it up here. Now the A is at the upper middle, and a B is above them. And that's it. That's all 7 of them. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it just starts over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, whatever. But you need to memorize these so you can glance at the keyboard, know where it is in relation to the black keys, and instantly know the name of it. And that's our goal. That's what we're shooting for, I hope. So we're using these notes, these keys here, because we've been using these. We got these. The names of the notes in the music too. We need to get these. So let's look at starting points here. The first line, do the play it and say it drill. Now you put thumb on middle C, which puts the hand here. And you don't need the other finger numbers. Read the notes. Just say the name of the note. C, I don't say middle C on middle C. It's a C. Okay? I know it's middle C. It's this one. C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, B, C. So just go over this at your speed, not mine. Say the name of the note as you play it, or close to it. And you get accustomed to hearing the note as well as seeing it in the music and which finger, where it is on the keyboard. In the second line, do it there too. C, B, A, B, A, G, A, B, C. You take it as slow as you got to and refer to the chart up above if you need to or whatever. Just do the play it and say it drill to get these names of these notes into your head. Now let's go back through the routine for learning a piece of music and see what we got. And I'm going to kind of talk about both of these lines at the same time. So I look it over and I see there's 2 lines here. There's a line 1 and a line 2. Okay. Each line is treble and bass clef. That's fine. The first line is 4/4 time and the second line is 3/4 time. So that there's only 3 counts in a measure on the second one. And I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes. And the second line ends with a dotted half note. Remember, a dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. So in 3/4 time, it gets 3 counts. So then I go through and I play it, try to, and if I hesitate, that's okay. I hesitate, what's this note? I can, I might hesitate, whatever. Then I'm going to go back over it slowly and carefully and work out the hesitation. So it's a steady beat. I'm going to do that with both lines. So the second one is just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They don't tell you how fast to go. It doesn't matter. This is entirely up to you. What is important is you can play these with no hesitations, and you don't need to look at the keyboard eventually. You just keep your eyes on the music. So the first line is that. You see the center ETC in the second measure in between? They're telling you the counting just continues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The second line is the same thing. It's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't even need the counting. You just count it. In the second line, 1, 2. Yeah. Now when you can play it, no hesitations, okay? Then come back to the video. Let's play these lines together slowly and check. to make sure you're playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. Now this is after you've learned them. So on the first line I'll give us 4 counts, and then we're going to stop, and then I'm going to give us 3 counts, and we're going to do the second line together, I hope. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. The second line. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.